Howdy everyone, welcome back to my channel. This will be on TikTok and also on YouTube, so whichever platform you've seen it, you'll be seeing it now. We're going to be opening some prismatics, because I finally got my hands on a box, which cost me a little bit of a penny. How much did it cost? About $54.99. Pricey. So, what I'm going to do is pick a random pack and I'm going to keep it sealed for my collection. So there'll be 5 packs instead of 6 pack opening. So I think I'll keep this one sealed. In the box you go. And let's see what these are. Oh! Almost knocked over the camera. Hi, you fuzzy baby. You're so fuzzy. Sorry about that. That was my kitten. At least one of 2. So I don't know the magic card tricks for any of these, but I'm just going to go through it like a normal person would. Alright, so we got a milk tank, Professor's Research, Romatis, ooh, my favorite, Noibat, Kareen, ooh, it actually looks like we got something, Screaming Tails, oh, Scream Tail, my bad, I'm very dyslexic. Okay, Jenny's Secret Art, or Janie's Secret Art. And we have this textured foil of a Noibat, my favorite. Okay, Rotostick, Leafeon, Psychic Energy, and code card that we don't really need. But that was actually a pretty nice textured foil. Never seen that on any Pokemon card. Because rarely I get packs of these because they're hard to get. Alright, so Pupitar, Bronzor, another Romatis, Eevee. Oh, sorry for the bad voice impression. Earthen Vessel, Heatran, Rescue Board, Mr. Dunsparce, Cottony, and enough foil texture, which is Tim. It's real nice. I like these foil textures. And basic fire energy. So we'll keep energy. Oop, getting almost knocked over the camera again. Foil texture. Alright. Full land. Alright. Alright, third pack. This might be a big oof because I don't know any of these prices because I'm used to Magic the Gathering prices and not card prices. Ooh. Lino? Sorry, I'm very dyslexic. I'm not going to pronounce the name, but I'm going to show it to you. Durgrandin? Another Pupitar. Professor Sadia's Ferality? I think I said that right. Suicune. Brogzong. I think I said that right. Alright. Area Zero. Under Death. Rotom Fan. Another time full texture. I bet that's probably not very good. Basic fighting energy. So far, we're not really hitting too much. Alright. Friends of Paldea. Little Bunny. Dreepy. A Miltank. Seeking. Kareen. Executor. Texture Executor. Earthen Vessel. And Fluttermane. Basic fire energy. It looks like we're not hitting anything too crazy. Alright, so last pack magic. Probably did not make my money back from this. But either way, it's still cool opening some newer Pokemon cards. Because I haven't done this in years. Bronzor. Romatease. Another Eevee. Hippotodon. I think I said that right. Orgsmass. I think I said that right. Earthen Vessel. Dripplin. Great Tusk. Rotom Stick. And Roaring Moon. And basic water energy. So, nothing too crazy. I was hoping at least one of the prismatic evolutions, which was the ideal goal for that. Unfortunately, I did not get that. But either way, it was actually fun opening these packs. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. I've been trying to get back into YouTube, but yeah, my work schedule is pretty hectic. So you all have a great day.